Hello, my lovelies. It's your wellness sidekick here with you. And let's talk aging. Did you know that what you eat can actually make you age faster? Certain foods can lead to inflammation, wrinkles, and even increase your risk of age-related diseases. Instead, I'm going to share some surprising foods that you might want to enjoy in moderation as you get older. We'll talk about what makes them potentially problematic, and most importantly, what healthy swaps you can make. Let's start with a big one: processed meats. They're loaded with preservatives like nitrates and nitrites, which are linked to an increased risk of certain cancers. Plus, all that processing adds a ton of sodium, which can lead to high blood pressure and put extra stress on your heart and kidneys. Instead of reaching for that ham sandwich every day, try some grilled chicken or fish. Plant-based proteins like lentils, beans, and tofu are also great options. I know, bread is life. But here's the thing about white bread. It's basically a refined carbohydrate that's been stripped of most of its nutrients. Because it's digested so quickly, it can cause those dreaded blood sugar spikes and crashes that leave you feeling tired and sluggish. Those spikes also contribute to a process called glycation, which damages collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep your skin looking firm and youthful. Look for whole grain or sprouted grain breads that are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Margarine used to be touted as a healthier alternative to butter, but not so fast. Many types of margarine contain trans fats, which are created by adding hydrogen to liquid oils to make them more solid at room temperature. The problem is, trans fats are really bad for your heart. They raise your LDL cholesterol, that's the bad kind, and lower your HDL cholesterol, the good kind, increasing your risk of heart disease and stroke. Instead of margarine, reach for healthy fats like olive oil, avocado oil, or even a little bit of real butter in moderation. These fats provide your body with energy and help you absorb important nutrients. Let's be real, who doesn't love a big bowl of popcorn while watching a movie? But that convenient microwave popcorn often contains a chemical called diacetyl, which is used to give it that buttery flavor. The problem is, diacetyl has been linked to lung problems when inhaled regularly. Plus, many microwave popcorn brands are loaded with unhealthy fats, trans fats, and tons of sodium. The good news is, you can still enjoy popcorn. Look for air-popped popcorn, or make your own on the stovetop with a little bit of olive oil or coconut oil. You can even try adding your own healthy seasonings, like nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor, or some spices for a kick. Yogurt can be a fantastic source of protein, calcium, and probiotics, which are great for gut health. But many flavored yogurts are packed with added sugars, sometimes even rivaling the amount in a candy bar. All that sugar can lead to weight gain, inflammation, and increased risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes. Instead of reaching for that sugary fruit on the bottom yogurt, opt for plain Greek yogurt. It's higher in protein and lower in sugar. You can add your own fresh fruit for sweetness and antioxidants, or a drizzle of honey for a touch of natural sweetness. So there you have it, my friends. Remember, aging is a privilege, and we can all age gracefully by making smart choices about the foods we eat. It's not about deprivation, it's about making swaps and finding healthy options that you genuinely enjoy. Think of it this way: every time you choose a piece of fruit over a candy bar, or a salad over a greasy burger, you're investing in your future health and well-being. Until next time, stay happy, healthy, and keep on smiling.